Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.
So guys, just landed in Malé, Maldives, and I think we have to take one of those shuttle buses to go to the main terminal. And this is what it looks like. This is our plane. Yeah. So guys, this is the arrival terminal, and we'll head to the immigration. Okay, so this is Maldivian passport only, and you have to go to, like, foreign national passports. So foreign passport, so you have to go one of these. So
Okay,
just yeah. So hi guys, this is the baggage claim area, and looks like our luggage came very fast. The blue bag right there, and then from here we're going to go to the washroom, which is right there, and then we're going to take the exit, which is right there, and we will look for our boat. But our luggage is very close. So guys, we are going to exit right now. And you're looking for the boat.
Smoking area Jetty.
Huh?
Smoking area Jetty.
Yeah.
Exit is just right here.
Yeah.
So close.
But you have to get out.
Everything is closed, like
Yeah.
the immigration, the
Yeah.
baggage claim, and now they're outside.
Yeah. So if you have, like, someone picking you up, this is where they're going to meet you. And also there are, like, those booths or counters. But for us, no one is picking us up. We have to go to the boat. So we're going to get out of the airport, and we'll find the jetty. All right. So just watch out and let's keep going
Maybe you
straight.
can ask, where should I
We don't need to ask.
Just there, yeah?
Yeah, not yet. We can ask later once you're out on the street. So these are the booths, guys, where the resorts and hotels. But for us, we'll just go out. I think that's the smoking jetty. I have a feeling,
Oh,
but
that's good.
I'm not sure.
I should make some places.
Yeah, just get yours.
Sunny.
And this is, like, another section, departure section there, and then here you're gonna be dropped us off now.
Okay, you want push?
Yeah, the fun part is you get out of the airport and look at the water.
Oh, so blue.
Looks like you transferred into a different planet. It's not like Earth anymore.
Look at the water.
Okay, now
From here you will see so clean.
yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy. I'm in Maldives.
Where's the smoking jetty? But we'll go that way.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so we're exiting the wrong way.
That's why he's trying to stop us.
Yeah, but I figured out, right, that that's the smoking jetty, so that's where we're gonna go, and we're gonna wait for our boat. So this is the main exit, and you can have Burger King, DQ, coffee club, pizza, all this thing. And I think there's a lounge here to somewhere. incredible. That's Maldives.
We are so happy. Finally, we are in Maldives.
Finally,
right? Yeah.
just looking at the water, you're gonna be de-stressed. All right, so our turn, and then we're gonna stay here somewhere, and we're gonna find out where is the
What's
what-
the name of the
hotel.
yeah?
Let's go.
Digura Thai,
Let's go.
Digura Thai.
Let's go Digura. That's the name of the boat. So I'm going to talk to some people and see what's going on. Okay. Okay. No, stay here. Okay. I think that's a private boat. So I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna just go one of these. You know, I have a feeling it could be one of these. One of these.